Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax Venice, and this is one of our brand new trades. This is a beautiful Pathfinder 2200 center console. This particular boat has a lot of options, so we'll kind of go through the boat and I'll explain some of the cool features on it. Up front, we have our Riptide troll motor from Minn Kota, 80-pound thrust. This one also has your remote that runs it. If you notice underneath the hardtop, same color as the side of the boat. Very, very sharp. They do the recessed speakers. All of your T-top is going to be powder coated, so no issues with aluminum pitting and things along that line. So in the back, everyone needs one of these. You've got your power pole right here. So if you pull up to the beach or something, or fishing in shallow water, very, very nice to anchor the boat. 200 Yamaha here. This is, of course, is a 4-stroke, 37 hours. And this is a 2018 boat, by the way. Also has the jack plate. So let's jump up inside real quick. So it's designed to be a great kind of a hybrid flats boat, bay boat, but also gives you a lot of creature comforts. You've got your jump seats in the back right here. Very, very comfortable leaning posts. This is removable. It can come out if you don't want it there. Gives you storage underneath here. Battery switches are located right here, very easy to get to. This is going to be for your jack plate. Everything's very well laid out. Fusion stereo, Garmin GPS bottom machine, and I did mention only 37 hours on the Yamaha right there. You also have a remote for the power pole. You also have one right here. So ergonomics are great, quality's great on these boats. Recessed rod racks up in the front. Tons of storage up here. Giant fish boxes all the way around, and then on the starboard side you also have dedicated storage. So one thing I did want to show you, and I may have to borrow your phone to do that, unless you can see inside there. So you've got dual batteries here, actually triple batteries. Also incorporated, that's going to be your troll motor. There's your fresh water system right there, and you have the built-in battery charger. So very, very neat layout to the boat. Some kind of unique features on these. So this is a MarineMax trade. So it's a boat that we own. So if you have a boat you wanted to trade, we can definitely accommodate you there. Financing's available. But for around here, just a super great layout, a very good quality, very nice boat. So if you'd like any additional information, feel free to give me a call. My name's Jeremy Bradshaw, and the phone number here at MarineMax Venice is 941-485-3388. Thanks for taking the time. We hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.